Hello, everyone. It's Christmas is still here, and Christmas is never going away. It's staying here for the whole week. It's never Halloween or Easter. And we still have Christmas things up.
You still have Christmas things up?
Yeah.
Nice Christmas, babe.
Yeah.
Okay.
And when we were asleep at Christmas night, the rangers pooped on the ground inside.
What? They pooped on the ground?
Inside.
Oh no. Wow. And have you got a message for Liz and Jeff at Christmas?
Yeah, and then it's called "We Wish You Merry Christmas."
Okay, do you want to sing it?
No, that's not the song, that's the message.
Okay, and have you got a Christmas song for them?
Now I'm singing a Christmas song.
Okay.
Oh, the Christmas, oh, the Christmas, oh, the Christmas, oh, the Christmas. Christmas ballerinas, Christmas ballerinas, Christmas princess, Christmas fairies. Oh, they're in their blue castle. They have flowers. All the Christmas things, there's snowflakes over their castle. Oh, they're having their dinner, and there's Christmas dinner, Christmas dessert, and Christmas dinner, and they're having some dinner, and dinner, and dinner. Oh, they're sitting on the chairs at the table at Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. They're making the dinner in the kitchen. Oh, the Christmas time is here.
That's such a good song. Is that for Liz and Jeff? Yeah. And do you want to tell Liz and Jeff about Santa Claus and what presents he got?
And Santi gave me a bike and drums and drumsticks so I can drum. And Santi gave me that stocking.
Very good.
And he got me a bicycle.
And do you like your bicycle?
Yeah, and he even got me a Barbie car.
Wow, very good. So are you having a fun Christmas?
And he got me big stocking.
Yeah, very good. Have you got a message now for Liz and Jeff?
Now another song I'm singing
Okay.
for them.
Why don't you sing one of your songs from play school that you sang for Christmas? From Montessori school.
5 little candles twinkling on the Christmas tree. First one said, "What can you hear?" The second one said, "I can hear children singing clear, and I can hear children singing loud and clear." The third one said, "What do you see?" The fourth one said, "I can see Santa big and jolly." A very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
And who are you going to see soon? Who are you hoping to see soon? When you go to see Liz and Jeff? You're going to see the baby. Lillian,
It's
isn't it?
cold in here.
I think Mummy wants to say hello as well.
Hello, Liz. Hello, Jeff. Hope you're well. We're just baking some cookies. Hope you have a wonderful Christmas or had a wonderful Christmas, and we look forward to seeing all of you, meeting the new edition. Isn't that right, Maeve? Yes. We love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Liz and
Say
Jeff.
bye-bye.
See you soon.
Say bye-bye.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.